Welcome to our channel, where we explore the exhilarating world of drone racing. In today's video, we dive into the exciting sport of FPV, first-person view, racing, where skilled pilots push the limits of technology and human capability. Get ready to witness the thrill of drone racing, the thrilling sport of FPV racing. Drone racing is a relatively new sport that has gained immense popularity in recent years. With its blend of technology, speed, and adrenaline, it's no wonder that FPV racing has captivated audiences worldwide. So what exactly is drone racing? At its core, drone racing involves piloting small, agile, and high-performance quadcopters, or racing drones, through a designated course. These drones are equipped with cameras that transmit real-time video feeds to the pilots, allowing them to experience the race from a thrilling first-person perspective. FPV racing is a test of skill, precision, and split-second decision-making. Pilots use remote controllers with specialized goggles that provide a live video feed from their drone's camera. This immersive experience gives them a sense of being right in the cockpit, flying at incredible speeds through challenging obstacle courses. Let's take a closer look at the key components of a racing drone. These machines are purpose-built for speed and agility. They feature lightweight frames, powerful motors, and high-performance batteries to ensure rapid acceleration and extended flight times. Drone racing enthusiasts often customize and build their own racing drones, tailoring them to their specific needs and racing style. This DIY aspect adds a whole new level of excitement and personalization to the sport. Drone racing events take place in various locations, from indoor arenas to outdoor courses. These tracks are carefully designed to provide challenging obstacles, including gates, hoops, and obstacles to test the skills of the pilots. The tracks are lined with LED lights to provide a visual reference for pilots, making the races even more thrilling to watch. Spectators can gather around the track, witnessing the intense action up. Drone racing is like no other sport. The combination of speed, precision, and strategy makes it incredibly exciting. You have to anticipate every move and react instantaneously. It's a rush like no other. The popularity of drone racing has grown rapidly, with dedicated racing leagues, such as the Drone Racing League, DRL, emerging across the globe. These leagues bring together the best pilots to compete in high-stakes races that push the limits of technology and skill. Drone racing has opened up a whole new world of possibilities. It's not just a sport, it's also a platform for innovation and technological advancement. The pilot's feedback helps us improve the drones, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles. The skill and precision displayed by professional drone racing pilots are awe-inspiring. They navigate through challenging courses with split-second precision, showcasing the incredible capabilities of both the pilots and their racing drones. If you're inspired to get involved in the world of drone racing, there are several ways to start. Many local communities have formed drone racing clubs where enthusiasts come together to learn, practice, and compete. These clubs provide a supportive environment for beginners to learn from experienced pilots and hone their skills. Training is essential in drone racing. It's not just about flying fast. It's about mastering control, maneuvering through tight spaces, and maintaining situational awareness. Beginners often start with smaller, more affordable drones to learn the basics before moving on to more advanced racing models. As you progress, it's important to practice different racing techniques, such as tight cornering, power loops, and split-S maneuvers. These skills will help you navigate the challenging tracks and gain a competitive edge. To excel in drone racing, you need to focus on three key areas: speed, control, and strategy. Speed comes with practice and experience. Control is about mastering precise movements, and strategy involves understanding the track layout and planning your moves accordingly. Drone racing events provide an opportunity to showcase your skills and compete against other pilots. These competitions range from local races to national and international tournaments, where the best pilots battle it out for prizes and recognition. Safety is paramount in drone racing. Pilots must follow guidelines and regulations set by their local authorities, ensuring they fly in designated areas and follow responsible practices. It's crucial to prioritize the safety of participants and spectators alike. As drone technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting developments in the world of drone racing. Innovations such as artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and autonomous drones may reshape the sport, introducing new challenges and opportunities for pilots. Whether you're a participant or a spectator, drone racing offers a unique and thrilling experience that combines the thrill of high-speed racing with the cutting-edge technology of unmanned aerial vehicles. It's a sport that pushes boundaries and captivates audiences with its dynamic and immersive nature. That wraps up our exploration of drone racing, the thrilling sport of FPV racing. We hope you've enjoyed this dive into the adrenaline-fueled world of drone racing and feel inspired to join in on the action. Remember, always fly responsibly and embrace the thrill of the race.